Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to securely hide photos from enhanced visual search on your Mac. Did you know that your Mac can analyze photos to identify landmarks and points of interest using a feature called enhanced visual search? While this feature can make it easier to discover information about places in your photo library, some users prefer to keep their photos as private as possible and limit how image data is processed. So, if privacy is a priority for you, macOS provides a simple way to disable enhanced visual search and prevent your photos from being used for these landmark matching features. That said, let's get started. So, first you have to launch the Photos app on your Mac, and then you have to hit the Photos menu located at the upper left corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose the settings option in the menu. Then you have to head over to the search section and uncheck the box for enhanced visual search. Going forward, your photos will no longer appear in the enhanced visual search on your Mac. And that's how you can easily conceal your photos from enhanced visual search on your macOS device. By disabling this feature, you can limit the analysis of images for landmark recognition and gain more control over how your photo library is processed. While enhanced visual search can be useful for identifying locations and learning more about places in your pictures, turning it off is a great option for users who prefer a more privacy-focused experience. Remember, managing privacy settings is one of the best ways to customize your Mac to match your personal preferences and comfort level. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such cool macOS tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next one.